Please don't choke on it. Nobody likes it when you choke on your food. Okay, and you know, be really even awesome if you got that bug yourself. Look. Look. That could be yours. Get it. That could be yours.
I don't think so.
Look. This could be yours. This could be yours, my friend. He's so repulsive. Come on. This is yours. Take it. What? Okay. Take it. What? Damn it. Come on, Nemo. Damn you. All right. There we go.
He's just gonna bitch about it.
I know. Let's push him over there so you get him in the camera. There you go, Nemo. All right. Let's go for some bread. You ready? All right. Here we go.
He's gonna do his little dance.
I know. He's so cute. There you go, Nemo. Whoop. Okay. What? Oh, he's gonna go poopies. I know it. He's got that look. Okay, it's gonna happen. I know it. Oh, nope, maybe not. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, come on, Nemo. Alrighty. You ready? Whoop!
Yo.
That was a good one. You know what? He had a fly this morning and he really liked it. There you go.
Dope.
Okay, ready? There, here we go. Yeah. Go do the dance for Cassandra. Do your dance for Cassie. Whoop. Do the dance. Do the dance.
Oh gosh.
Do the dance. There you go. Does he look he has blood on his beak?
Yeah, it kinda does.